Viewers, in this video we are giving the syllabus of cost accounting. This subject for BCom final year-wise system and also semester system in 5th semester. So it's also useful for distance mode and mode. In this subject, the syllabus are first introduction. In the introduction point of view, cost accounting, definition, features, objectives, functions, scope, advantages and limitations. Essentials of GUS cost accounting system, difference between cost accounting and financial accounting, cost concepts, cost classifications. The second unit is materials. Materials point of view, direct and indirect material cost, inventory control techniques, stock levels, EOQ, ABC analysis, JIT, VED, FSND, issue of materials in production, pricing methods, FIFO, FIFO, LIFO, LIFO with base stock and simple and weighted average methods. Unit is labor and overheads. In the labor and overheads, labor point of view, direct and indirect labor cost, methods of payment of wages, only incentive plans, Halsey, Rowan, Taylor, piece rate and Merrick multiple price rate methods. In the overheads point of view, classification, methods of allocation, apportionment and absorption of overheads. So now fourth unit is unit and job costing. Unit costing, features, cost sheet, tender and estimated cost sheet. Job costing, features, objectives, procedure, preparation of job cost sheet. Last final is unit fifth one, contract and process costing. Contract costing, features, advantages, procedures of contract costing, guidelines to assess profit on incomplete contracts. Process costing, meaning, features, preparation of process account, normal and abnormal losses. So here giving suggested readings. The authors are Cost Accounting, Jain and Narang, Kalyani Publishers, Cost Accounting, Sri Hari Krishna Rao, Himalaya, Cost and Management Accounting, Prashant Atma, Himalaya. So, 8 authors are there. So, these books are helpful for reference and also competitive.